Hello students. Now today we are discussing the next point from our chapter coordination compound. Now lecture number 3. Now today we are discussing a very simple concept, that is what is the coordination number, which is denoted in a shortcut as CN, and here we define definition for coordination number. Then we discuss example on it to find out the coordination number. So first point is the what is the coordination number of the central metal ion. So before we discuss the definition of coordination number, let us consider one example. In this example, we are considering how to find out the coordination number of this central metal, that is a cobalt. So in this example, cobalt is bonded with the 4 amine and 2 chloride ion. So before we find out the coordination number of the cobalt, we know that in last lecture we discussed how to find out the oxidation number of the central metal ion. So let us revise it first and then go for the coordination number. So this cobalt, whose oxidation number of the cobalt, let us consider as X. Then this amine, so these are the amine. Amine is the neutral molecule, and is a monovalent because it has a one donor. Now chlorine minus, it has a -1 charge and is also monodendate, means it has a one donor nitrogen, one donor chlorine ion. Okay, so in order to find out oxidation number of the cobalt, so oxidation number of the cobalt we assume as X plus 4 into the charge on the ammonia is 0 as it is neutral molecule, plus 2 into charge on the chlorine, that is a -1, is equal to the total charge here is a +1. So X plus this is 0 minus 2 plus 1. So therefore X is equal to 3 plus 3. This is the oxidation number of the cobalt. So in this complex, it is first clear, cobalt is a +3 ion. So we have to find out now the coordination number of the cobalt +3 ion. So in order to find out coordination number of cobalt +3 ion, here we must know the total number of the donor atom in this complex. So this complex has a 4 amine molecule as a donor and 2 chloride ion as a donor. So we know that in a amine there is only one nitrogen as a donor. So there are the total 4. So these are the 4 donor. These are the 4 donor atom from the 4 amine. Okay, and chloride has a Cl minus, so it has a 1 donor atom. So total number of the chloride are the 2. So total there are the 2 donor atom. Okay, so there are total 6 donor atoms in this complex. So total number of the donor atom in this complex are the 6. Okay, so I say that in this complex the 4 amine and the 2 chlorine all are the monodendate, means all have the single donor atom. So there are the total 6 donor atoms. As there are the total 6 donor atom, 4 from amine and 2 from chlorine, so these are the total 6 donor atom, and as it has a 6 donor atom, so coordination number of cobalt +3 ion is 6. So like this way we consider the oxidation state of cobalt and also consider the coordination number of the cobalt. Okay, so from this we can define the coordination number. So what is the coordination number is that? So coordination number is the coordination number of the central metal ion in a complex is the number of the ligands donor atom directly attached to it. So here total number of the donor atom directly attached are 4 nitrogen from amine and 2 chlorine from the chlorine ion. So there are the 6 donor atom directly attached, hence coordination number of the cobalt plus 3 ion is 6. Okay, or the number of the electron pair involved in the coordinate bonds. So number of the electron pair involved are from the 6 donor atoms, therefore the coordination number are the 6. Okay, so therefore we can define the coordination number like this way. So the coordination number of the metal ion in a complex is the number of ligands atom number of ligand atom directly attached to it. Number of the ligand atom, they are directly attached to the central metal ion, or the number of electron pairs involved in the coordination bonds. So let us discuss one example. What is the coordination number of the central metal ion in each of the following complexes? Now let us discuss the first example here. Fe with oxalate, there are 3 molecules of the oxalate ion. Okay, so here the oxalate is by dinded ligands. Okay, so oxalate, if you consider the structure of the oxalate like this way, oxalate has 2 oxygen donor in a 1 molecule. So these 2 are the oxygen donor atom. So total number of the donor atom in 1 molecule of oxygen, in 1 molecule of oxalate has 1 molecule of oxalate has 2 oxygen donor atom. So total number of the donor atom in the oxalate here, this oxalate is iron now here, has the 2 donor oxygen atom. So there are the 3 oxalate ion. So total number of the 6 donor oxygen atom attach Fe plus 3 ion. So here the oxidation number of the Fe is plus 3. So there are the 6 donor atom are attached for Fe plus 3 ion. So coordination number of Fe plus 3 ion is again 6. Again 6. Look here, I again repeat. The oxalate ion has each one oxalate ion has a 2 oxygen donor. There are the 3 oxalate ion. So 3 into 2. So these are the 6 donor atom. They are attached to Fe. Here Fe is a Fe plus 3 ion. So complex ion is there. So coordination number of Fe here is the 6. Now let us consider the next example. Here we have to find out the oxidation number of the cobalt again. So this example we already consider, but whatever the example now we discuss is the same one. Okay, now consider next example. So next example is again this cobalt En plus 3. Now in this example, cobalt is having the oxidation state is plus 3. En, what is En? En is the ethylene diamine. En is the ethylene diamine. So this is the structure of En. En, the long form is the ethylene diamine. Now this ethylene diamine has a 2 donor nitrogen atom. So one molecule has a 2 donor nitrogen atom. So how many total number of the atoms? There are the 3 again. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6 donor atom. So again the coordination number of the cobalt plus the ion is a 6. Generally the oxidation state and coordination number are double. If the oxidation state is a 3, then its coordination number is a 6. If the oxidation state is a 2, its coordination number is 4. It generally observed. Let us consider one more example here. IR, iridium, it attached to the 2 oxalate ion, 2 oxalate ion and 2 chloride ion. Again, one oxalate ion has a 2 donor, so there are the 2 into 2, so it is a 4 donor atom. 2 chloride ion has a 1 donor, so there are the 2. So again, total number of the donor atoms are the 6 donor atom. As there are the 6 donor atom here, so what happened here? So here IR, it is in plus 3, has a coordination number of the 6. So like this way we consider the example. So remember, so generally in coordination compound, the coordination number of the metal atoms are generally 4 and 6 because they are most stable. Now if you consider the example like this way, platinum, it is attached with the 5 ammonia, it is attached with the 1 ammonia and 5 chlorine. So here now let us find out the coordination number of the platinum here. So in order to find out the coordination number of the platinum, now look here. Platinum is now bonded with the 1 ammonia and 5 chlorine. 1 ammonia has a 1 nitrogen atom as a donor and 5 chloride has a 5 chlorine donor atom. So again the total number of the donor atoms are the 6. Total number of the donor atom is here is the 6. So again the coordination number of platinum in this example is the uh, again 6. So like this way we can consider the various example to understand the concept of the coordination number. So what is the coordination number? So coordination number is the number of the metal ion in the complex, which is a number of the metal ion in the complex is the number of the coordination number of the metal ion in the complex is the number of ligand donor atom directly attached to it is called as a coordination number. Okay, so like this way you consider a very simple concept of the coordination number.